Hello, welcome to Do Like Tutoring 2025. Welcome. Okay, so this platform is an online learning platform, a global platform that you can access and learn from anywhere in the world. I'm your teacher, and my motto is, I know I can, I will, shine bright. My name is Doyin, a pleasure to meet you. So, our subject specialism is English literature, English language, sociology, social science, levels primary, secondary, GCSE, A-levels and also university. Let's begin. So, our tutoring benefits: one-to-one support, global, online, convenient, healthy learning, encouragement and guidance, calm ambience, detailed sessions, personalised and tailored sessions. For any information, please feel free to email me. Joy that I'm resting in love. Promoting a healthy learning lifestyle. Book now at just £25. So if you were interested in the music that was playing, this is my new single titled Daily Dose, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching.